Good morning students. Students, how are you beta? I hope you will be fine at home. Stay home and stay healthy. Beta, you opt abacus as an activity. You opt abacus as an activity. Abacus is a device which do the calculation very fast, like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now beta, first of all you will see this is an abacus frame. This bar divides the abacus frame into two parts, lower parts and upper parts. Lower part is called lower deck, upper part is called upper deck, and this is called bar. Now there are beads. You see these beads, colorful beads. These upper beads are called heavenly beads, or lower beads are also called earthly beads. There are two names of these beads, lower beads or upper beads. Lower beads can be same earthly beads, or upper beads you can say heavenly beads. Okay students, now I will show you this abacus. I will explain all these parts on this abacus. You will buy this abacus from the market. This is an abacus from students. You will buy it from the market. Okay beta. Now you will use thumb and finger for this abacus. But you use only these two things, thumb and finger. Now this dot place shows unit. This dot place shows unit place. This shows tens place. This shows hundred place, then thousand, and then 10,000 place. After that there is lakh, 10 lakh or crore place. Now first of all we will start from the ones place. At ones place there are 9 numbers. This number I will use finger for the upper beads. This is 5. Then this is 6, 7, 8, 9. Now there are 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay beta. At ones place 9 into 1 is 9. At ones place or unit place 9 into 1 is 9. If you want to show 10, then what you will do beta? If you want to show 10, then there is tens place. This is a tens place. This is a 10 place. I put 1. It means this is 10 because it is at tens place. Now if you want to show 11, then 10 plus 1, 11. Then 2, 12. Then we will add one more number, 13 or 14. You always use this sum. The thumb ही use करना बेटा. And for upper beads you will use only this finger. Okay beta. Now this number becomes 10 plus 4, 14. If I will use this 5, then number becomes 10 plus 9, 19. Which number becomes 19. Now there are, if you want to write 20, what do you do beta if you want to write 20? 2 into 10. At tens place you will use these two beads, 2 into 10. Other beads should be down and these two beads should be there. Then 10 or 10, 20. Okay beta. Then 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Then 20 plus 2 becomes 22. 20 plus 3 is 23, and 20 plus 4 is 24. Now if we make 29, it becomes 29. 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. 20 plus 9 is 29. Now if you want to write down 30, then what do? I will make all other beads on their place, and I will do one bead should be up. Now it becomes 30. 10, 10, 10. 3 beads. 3 beads at 10 place, it becomes 30. 3 into 10, 30. Now 31, 32, 33, 34. Now if we write 5, so it becomes 39. Now if you want 40, if you want to write 40, then what do? I will make the all other beads at their place, and this one should be there. 4 beads at 10 place. So 4 into 10. This becomes 40. Okay. Then 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and it becomes 49. It becomes 49. Now if you want 50, then I will make all other beads on their place. Now 50. 40 ho gaya, there is no other beads. So we can't do 40 like here. Then put all these beads at their place. Then this 5. 5 at 10 place is 50. 5 at 10 place is 50. It becomes 50. Okay students, now you can do calculation from 1 to 50 on this abacus, and today you will go to the market and buy your abacus and do practice at home to add these numbers 1 to 50. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.